Welcome back to Karmapala. Today we are going to discuss about the process involved in taking inner energy. You have inner energy. Believe it that you have it. That is only to get the faith within you. The faith and the belief has to be there within you to take that inner energy. There are two things which are important. One is faith and then respond. There is third thing which we must not have is reaction. Response is different, reaction is different. So when you have the faith and belief, what happens? You drive the inner energy strength and you respond to what your mind is asking or what your mind is seeking from you. Only respond. What the mind will say, if it says in subconsciousness, you have to do two good things. What you should do? Yes, I will do it, or no, I will not do it. This is response. Reaction is, I have to do two things. What is the two things? Is it right? It is wrong? I don't think so, I have to do it. This is the reaction. So response is something which has to come from you. Response is, there are two things. Either you have to accept it or you have to reject it. These two things. Mind is going to control you, right? Now mind is controlling you. The only difference is you have to control the mind to achieve this. This is a time oriented and a long driven process. Why? Because stability, constantly your mind will waver. So constantly you have to keep your mind in tandem with the goal what you seek. After that it is just like driving. Once you are learning the driving, what happens? Synchronization will not happen. You will see the brake, you will see the clutch, and you will see the steering will go somewhere else, your gear will go somewhere else. If you put the gear, you cannot control the steering. If you control the steering, you cannot control the clutch. These are all will take its own time. Then you will not even bother about everything will do on its own. Then you will focus on only driving. Enjoy the driving. That is what it has to be practiced. So the practice here, like a driving. If there is a traffic, what is the path? It will tell. Somebody will say that you have to take a right turn and a left turn or whatever it is, that you know the route, then you have to follow some route and you have to respond to that. Like this, mind also will give you an inner solution. When you think 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever it is, your problem, you address it, mind will speak with you. Mind will seek your cooperation. I have got a solution. Start doing this from tomorrow onwards. Respond. Don't debate. Respond. Either you have to accept it or not to accept it. If you want the process, is there anything you are going to pay money for this to your mind? You are not going to pay any money. No. So try that out. Try. It is going to happen. Believe that. First is that you should have the belief. Yes, it is going to happen. Once it is going to happen, then you should abide by the commands which the mind is telling. Don't even argue. Respond. Only respond. Yes or no, I said. No means then you come out of the Karmapala and don't even see this program. Goodbye to you. You want to achieve something else, you want to read something else from your mind, then this is the program which you should derive your inner energy. When you are deriving your inner energy, it comes. You can see it will flow. When it comes, when your mind is peaceful, when your mind is having absolute calmness, because mind requires no instability in thought process. Once you start doing this, you will derive this. So what I said, to achieve your inner energy, you have to be having faith and belief. When you have faith and belief, automatically you should have the response from your mind, your inner energy. So just respond to that energy which is asking you, what should I do? It will not ask you a question. It will give you a guidance. From tomorrow onwards, do ABCD, or check whether this will work out or not. It will give you an instant solution. Instant solution, temporary or permanent, we don't know. Don't think that is a permanent solution. This solution is to just break the ice, right? You cannot immediately, that is the solution. Sometimes it may be the solution, sometimes it is only a step, the first step you have achieved to achieve your desired goal. Get into this and then respond again next week what the mind says. Then the inner energy and you are connecting together. Then 5 minutes will automatically expand without your knowledge. No. You if you are focusing, you might get the entire result within 2-3 days also, provided if you provide that much time to get the inner energy from within. So that is what all about today. So to complete once again what I said, or re-emphasize what I said, make your mind calm, place your whatever your desire, and then take the inner energy to support that. How to take the inner energy? As I said, have faith. You have inner energy, have faith. That is God, that is you, or whomsoever it is, but that is an inner energy. We can talk about one day about all the chakras what you have inside, which is the faith accompli. You have to believe it. Now, once you have the faith is automatically reposed on you. Yes, I have inner energy. I have inner energy. Every day you tell I have inner energy, and then talk about that inner energy within you, and then listen to that inner energy. Respond to that inner energy. Never ever react. Reaction will kill your inner energy. Reaction is, instead of that, reaction is no action. So with this, I conclude this session, hoping to see you in the next session soon. Thank you.